Hello friends, welcome to GIS Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you land use pattern comparison map of a specific area over a time period. So for this, you will need land use data of 2 years for comparison. But don't worry, I will just keep the link in the description box so that you guys don't have to struggle for that. Okay, so first of all, you will need a map. Like I'm here showing, I will be showing Chitwan district's land use pattern. So I will be needing Chitwan district boundary. So for that, will need a district file from which I will extract Chitwan district because I don't have that individual. So for that, for extracting, I hope you know by watching my previous videos. So you will have to select features and select the district you want to extract or click. Then you will go here and right click and go to data and just export it. Okay, so that now you only have this district. So let's remove it and add our other data. So we will need land use data of 2010. Here it is. And now we will have to clip this land use data also only and keep only the data inside Chitwan. Okay, so let's make it hollow first. And for clipping, as this is a TIFF file, that means it is a raster file or it's basically an image. So for raster, it's like for vector you have to clip by just geoprocessing and clip, but for raster you will go to this search icon and type extract by mask. Okay, so click this and input your LULC, that means land use land cover, and the output is this one. So we can see it's done here, and now we don't need this. Here is the land use land cover data of Chitwan district in 2010. Okay, so if you get confused, then if you get confused, you can just rename you can just rename the file. This one is Chitwan's boundary, so, and this one is LULC of 2010. I hope you know about projection. When we are using datas, multiple datas, they should be in same projection system. Here it is projected coordinate system. You can just go to properties, and in this source you can see its projection, its transverse marketer. But actually, in fact, Chitwan is not in transverse marketer. It is in the wrong, I don't know what, but we have to change it because it's actually in WGS 1984 45N. Okay, so actual the projection system is that, so we have to change it. So for that we have to go to this search again and type project. Output coordinate system, here click on this right side icon and go to projected coordinate system, scroll down to UTM and WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere, and scroll down to this one 45N. Okay, so okay, it's been done. Okay, now we don't need this one. Okay, so let's check for confirmation. Now you can see here WGS 1984, right? So now we can change the name, and also this LULC is also not in correct projection, so we will have to change that. For that you will have to go to this ARC toolbox. Here you will have to go to data management tools, and you can see here projections and transformation, and go to raster, then go to project raster. Okay, so in this box you will have to input your data, and as earlier we will do the same thing. Okay, so it's done. Now we don't need this one. It is done. As we have to make a map, so we will have to convert this layout to landscape layout. So for that you will need this toolbox. Okay, this one is layout toolbox. If you don't have this one, just right click here in the blank and you will see here layout. Okay, you just have to go to change layout, and in this select this landscape.mxt and finish. Now you can drag it as you wish, and let's take it here so that we can add LULC 2020 here. So let's leave it here for now, and for another this is called data frame. So now we will need another data frame. Go to insert and select data frame. You can drag it here. So here we will be adding our another data. for Chitwan boundary, we can just copy it, copy this one and paste. Okay, so now we will have to clip it. So I hope you remember. Go to search, extract. Now, this Chitwan is already projected in correct one, so we don't have to do this again. But this one we will have to correct the projection. Okay, for that. For that, we will have to go here all the way like we did earlier. So go to project raster. If you are confused here, then go back. Go back to the earlier one. Okay. Okay, let me just